How to fix Snapchat microphone not working. You might be in the position where you are trying to record something on Snapchat but the microphone is not working. If you want to fix this issue, first thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then move into apps. Now search for the application Snapchat and then click on it. Over here you have to make sure that the microphone option is turned on. Once toggled on, now head over to the App Store on your device. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, you have to search for Snapchat. Click on it. Make sure to update the application. Tap on Update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue. If not, go back to the settings of a device. Once you're here, move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, scroll down and move into Snapchat. Click on Offload app. Once again, tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It should also fix the issue that you have been facing on Snapchat, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.